Okay, so just now we learned about sounds, how it vibrates and send the waves of sound to our ears. So now it's your arts and craft. We are going to do arts, cut and paste. Alright. If you don't have anything that you can find for cutting, you can also draw it by yourself. First thing first, write sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Write sound. Okay. And then you can find pictures. Any pictures that comes out sound, like television, radio, musical instruments. So if you have any magazines or any newspaper, you need to find it, you need to cut and you paste. Okay, if you don't have, it's okay, you can draw it. If you want to draw, you can draw one item that makes a sound, but not small picture, okay, big picture. So example, I'm gonna draw a TV. Okay, a TV. TV. Alright, then you can also write TV, or you can write the full name television, right? And then if you have space, one more down here, you can draw another item that comes out sound. Let me see. Popcorn machine or popcorn. I'm going to draw popcorn. Popcorn, when they pop, has sound, right? Pop, 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 pop. So then you write popcorn. Okay. Make sure color. Do it nicely, whole page. Okay, so this one page I can make two pictures, so TV, television and popcorn. So you can color it nicely and then post the picture. Okay, so television, popcorn. I like to watch television while eating popcorn. While eating popcorn, I like to watch television. The other way around. Okay, it's a simple one, a simple task. Okay. First, don't forget to do your experiment, the 2 cups, the wave, vibration, sound. Alright, and then your drawing skills. Alright, you can draw and color or cut and paste. If you can find pictures from any magazine or any newspaper, you can cut and paste. It's okay. Make sure when you cut and paste, please write down the name of the thing. Alright, like television, television, or popcorn, popcorn, or radio, radio, or a blender, blender. Okay, so write the name. If you don't know, please ask your parents. Okay, they can help you. Alright, okay, so bye, enjoy the day today, see you tomorrow.